Both national and county.
Na wanta daga tamangi bintu mbili na review tatu. Especially mangana healthy ndoche governor oaga chiri dispensary na ndoche innovative. As we are talking about nga sai ugembo nkwa gachwere ugembo level 4. Nkwa gachwere sana. Kuminyoki sana. And gesusu ya gachiru nyamache ya gachiru etauni usekolgere paranere yali utirimbo kaiga isusu mugalia. Utirimbo kalia. Cross gwire aiga between Safaricom and Uhuru, I think imali. Asa leo chimna alenga matobe lakini ero chimna very smart. Kali aroka na sanda nyingi. Kwa roche kwa ratata day magawa noko kanda kora tamata alia ase ali nyambera dumping side. Dera asalia a very people's park. A very so smart. Unyansi bulibo komeralia asalia chako very smart. So na road development ingia anda kenda tebenga nda ratinga nabwate A-.
Mbona sana aina magendera ai county ya Kisii.
County ya Kisii.
Uko akorete buna omo advisor. Ugo mugavana. Asa matuka inki kyagereto kabera asa matuka make yet boni gangote boringe county ya gendere. Inki kyagereto onye kerebuya. Inki kyagerete andake ukarwara.
No omaite governor nabwate powers and actually into bantu bakurukunga IPA political advisor bantu mbara about 6 posts. Governor na bawanja korelia arrangement anytime. Because those powers ichirasa mabukai. Na bawanja 1 point rero na ndako wekisi kumami na ndako irani. He has those powers. So nero kuliara ine serikali ya yabunata. Yes.